This is a diamond stone. Rough diamond stone. It's quite big, this one actually. See a lot of diamonds, industrial diamonds and stuff like that. You got some that used for industrial purposes. There's many different types. But you can see the texture, To be honest with you, doing these things is just ongoing study and it just never finishes. There's always something new, you know. And once you see the metal, when you twist it, you got metal coming down there. That's where we use the masonry a little bit. You can see also the triangular shape of the front there as well, perfectly. And if you turn it around, you see it at the back. So you look for the triangular shape as well. Sometimes it's in the shape of 50 cent, and we use that edge here. We use the file, to check it. So just and we check it. You should see the file on the edge. But when you check a file, there should be nothing left on it. So let's zoom him up so we can see. We can't see much, but you can see with the naked eye. But on the phone, it's a bit different. And we also use the sharp edge here, and we twist it so, because if it's beveled off slightly to the side, so we want to twist it. We apply pressure. So you can see the file, you see the file going down that way. But if you twist it back that side, you can't see it. Because you can see the metal now when the light shine on it, right? But you haven't scratched the stone, just the metal, right? That's one of the indication. We use the masonry drill bit because this is hardness 9.